Bill Goudy checking in. Been finding a few mushrooms. Yesterday we only found a few. Just kind of slacking up. It's not as good a year as I thought it was going to be. Not in my area anyway. Most of my hunting area is underwater. But a lot of the area that I'm hunting in now is way too wet. And I don't know, I think it got down to 45 last night. We need that ground temperature to warm up. We don't have much cover. And yes, I'm getting a few mushrooms, but not like other years. That's for sure. Well, I'll tell you, I'm having my iced tea with a little apple cider vinegar and some lemon juice. It's hard for me to make a video at night these days because I've been working all day long, and I'm just not in the mood. I'm so tired. I work and I just can't get it going. No. So I thought, well, I'm going to make you a video first thing in the morning. I'm going to have some of those mushrooms for breakfast. Yeah. I got a little catfish. I got a couple of eggs, and I got a few of those morels. I like to cook them up in, it's not low carb. Not high carb either, but I'm trying to avoid flour, so when I avoid saltine crackers. But once a year, well, a couple times a year, when the morels are out, I gotta have, a mess. And I've just raised eating them the way I do. I dip them in egg, put them in cracker crumb, and then I fry them in butter. Oh, it's just so good. You are going to hear me say it. Look! Oh, look at the goodness! Let's try one of these mushrooms. Oh. Oh, a little bit of catfish. Oh. I can't tell you how good that is. Oh. Let's dig into that, shall we? You know how I say no breakfast is complete without a little Texas Pete? Well, I'm not going to use any Texas Pete on this breakfast. No, I don't want to ruin the flavor. Not the Texas Pete wouldn't ruin it, but I like Texas Pete. And it is true, no breakfast is complete, except for this one. I want the full flavor of those mushrooms and that catfish. It is worth every bit of effort. I've tried the 321 coating, I've tried other low carb coatings, and nothing compares. Nothing compares. I know a lot of people just eat those mushrooms just like a garnish, or have different recipes, but I'm telling you, this recipe, very simple, but this is my favorite way, and I've done it my whole life, and I just can't change. I'm sorry, Juanillo. I got so much stuff to do today. I'm going to finish eating my breakfast, and I'm going to get out there and hit it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Bill Goudy out.